Hello, this is Deb from the Crafty Apple Tree. Come on in and join me and say hi as you join. Tonight I'm going to make a quick sign using two transfers from our Southwest collection. One is the Buffalo and the other is the Wander Florals. And I'm just going to combine the two. So let's see. I'll cut this apart first. Using our transfer scissors that we have. I'm going to put the florals on the side and just use the word Wander. So this one should go pretty quick. And I'm going to use the color Greige, so it's a very light gray. I don't want to tip it upside down because I already have the cap off. All right, so let me grab my fuzzing towel here. I really like all of our Southwest themed transfers that we have because I love Arizona. Let's see here. I'm going to try to make room for the Wander. Perfect. Rub out all the air bubbles. And I've already stirred up my chalk paste, so I'm just going to go ahead and start chalking. We just drag it down the silkscreen area. Just make sure you have enough paste on your squeegee in order to run it smoothly. And then now I'm just scraping off the excess, putting it back in my jar. All right. Now pull this up. Oh, that's so cute. You see all the detail in that buffalo? That's something that you can't get with just a regular stencil. That's the cool thing about Chalk Couture transfers. You're able to get a lot of detail in your projects that you're making and make them stand out more. All right, I'm going to dry this so I can do the other part. this is our black framed Grayson board. It's 9 by 12. So you can see on the back, and then we have 2 hangers on it, so you can hang it horizontally or vertically. I'm using it horizontally. All right, now hopefully this word will fit on here. What I need is the word roam. And you can roam where the buffalo roam. And there we go. Just a bit. Oh gosh, you know, that's gonna fit really nice. Afraid I might run into the legs of the buffalo with this, but no, it's working out great. Getting all of the air bubbles out of here, which when I put it down I had a lot. And I'm just going to rub over the silk screen part to make sure that it's down nice and tight. All right. I'm going to turn this so I can just move my paste quickly down the word. You don't need much paste. I'll just pull this up. And there we go. So what do you guys think? Pretty quick and easy sign, huh? Didn't take me long at all. And if you have any questions about these products, shoot me a message and I'll let you know about them. I'll get you in the right place you need to be. And that's all I have for this evening. Just a nice, quick, and easy one, but it sure turned out beautiful. Thanks for joining me this evening. I'll see you guys again tomorrow evening. And until then, take care. Bye for now.